Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Life in UAE Vlog. Today I will show you how I decorated my living room. This is the before look of my living room, which is not so good. Let's make it better. Actually, I did not purchase anything to do this makeover. Instead, I made some DIYs from waste cardboard for storage purpose. Let's start the makeover. This TV cabinet I will move from here to an adjacent wall. And for any makeover, we need to start with dusting and mopping. From dusting the furniture to mopping the floors. I am removing all my old decorations and using them in a more creative way, which you will see in a while. I always use these kind of green leaf strings for corner decorations. My previous decoration I'm going to remove and do in a new and better way. I am just rearranging the furniture from one side to the other. This sofa is from IKEA and without the cover, this sofa does not give a good look to the living room. Let me cover this with the black sofa cover. Actually, we do not get colorful sofa colors at IKEA, so I chose black. I feel IKEA products are affordable and good quality. I purchased cushions separately to match the cover. After dusting, the TV cabinet is looking clean and shiny. And these are my DIY storage boxes which I told you before. I just covered the cardboard box with self-adhesive paper. You can see how to do these DIYs on my channel. The link is shared in the description. My living room walls are quite damaged. Since it's a rented apartment, we are not going to paint soon and still want the living room to look good. So I'm covering this damaged wall with a self-adhesive wallpaper. Peel off and stick on the wall slowly. My son is also helping me with this makeover. You can see his tiny hands doing work. I always prefer natural indoor plants over fake artificial plants, as indoor plants are good air purifiers and many other reasons. As I told you earlier, I always like to decorate the corner with leaf string, and this is how I decorated this corner. One side of my living room looks like this. Next to curtains, here I am using dark color curtains to match the light color wall and matching cushions for the sofa. Here is my DIY part. This is the cloth or coat hanger which I am not using for hanging clothes. So I thought it would be nice to use it here in the living room for decoration purpose. I covered this hanger with LED light string. This is how it looks. What do you think about this DIY? Let me know in the comments below. Your comments will motivate me to do more positive makeovers. I feel the night look of my living room is awesome. Let's complete the makeover with floor carpet and a center table. This IKEA shelf decoration video is already uploaded on my channel. I will share the link in the description. This is the final look of my living room. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.